light here that I'm going to remove, and then install the chandelier right there. So just 1 second, I'm gonna climb up here and remove it. And I switched the thing off right there to make sure I don't finish. Oops, I almost broke that. Remove the lights. There you go. So I need a screw to remove this and the screw and then just slide this off. All right, just 1 second. Get a screwdriver. All right, so then you just, there's like 2 screws, just only 2 screws. There you go, one. And then all you do is just, sometimes when this is painted, the paint like sticks to this. So don't worry about it, you can still slide it. And there it is. There's only 3 wires here, black and 2 wires. I guess 3 plus the ground. That's all you need. There it is. Pretty simple, huh? So let's remove this. That's just making sure that's off. And then this one. I would recommend though going to your panel and just turn the lights off. But I don't have anybody here that might by accident turn the light on. It's just me. And then this one is connected up here. Loosen that one up. And then remove this. There you go. And there it is. I'll use this in another DIY thing. So I'm gonna have to paint this area once. Maybe you should paint it first before I install the chandelier, because it's just gonna cover here and this other area is not painted. So we'll be right back.